How to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how can you turn off or disable Windows Defender in your Windows PC. The first method is to navigate to the search button and enter the virus and threat protection. Once there, scroll down and proceed to manage settings and deactivate the real-time protection and cloud developer protection as well. As for the second method, use the search button to find run. Open the run command and type regedit and hit enter. Then expand the HQ local machine. Then after software, go to policies, click on Microsoft and click on the Windows Defender. Simply right click on the Windows Defender and create a new 132-bit value named Visible Anti-Spyware exactly as written, with no spaces and no capitalization. Afterwards, modify the value data to 1 and save the changes and restart your computer. And Windows Defender will remain disabled permanently. This is how you can disable the Windows Defender in your Windows PC through two methods. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.